I legit have no fucking gas. Look at this shit. Running on fumes. Like no joke, that's legit the lowest I've probably let any of my cars ever run in fucking years, dude. I don't know. As you guys know, I don't really drive the STI, so it kind of just sits and, oh look at NK wheels back there. But yeah, it kind of just sits and I don't drive it. So when I did drive it this morning to get the wheels swapped, I didn't realize I didn't have any gas until I was getting to the tire shop. I was like, well, I guess I should check that out more often, because I probably haven't filled the STI up in like a month, almost maybe. Yeah, probably like a month. I don't really drive it, it just fucking sits and sits and sits. And I thought the battery was gonna be dead again this morning because it just sat all week again. I was like, dude, if my battery's dead, I'm fucked. There's no one gonna be awake this early. Because I left early to get the wheel swapped because I don't wanna have to worry about it later, you know? And we have a couple things to do today, and Twinkie didn't answer his phone when I called him. So now I just have to go home, I guess, and play the waiting game. Because what we're doing today, one involves him, and Edwin too as well, yeah, him and Edwin. So neither one of them hit me up. We're supposed to meet up at 11 at we're supposed to meet up at 11 at Edwin's house, but they haven't hit me up. I called Twinkie, no answer. I think my gas is done. Let's see how much we gotta spend on this thing. This is what a complete empty tank will do to you. Bitch, dude. Say that one more time. That's the content, Edwin, come on.
He said, I'm not saying names, but they be like, oh, if I had the Subaru, but you don't. That's the real thing. I got the Subaru, but not.
Cause you're rich. This guy, hey fam, how late were you today?
I was about, what time is it?
Oh, my phone's in my car and I don't have my watch on.
12:01.
Hour late today?
I was about an hour late today.
The install?
I think this has got a better exhaust than my car. Oh, you got a basketball installed? I got a basketball court in the back of my house.
Let's go outside right now, huh? Fuck the exhaust install, let's just go play.
Alright.
Today, Edwin's getting a little loud. Whoa! Why is your camera on the sidewalk?
I'm recording. Look at this guy getting down.
Who's man?
Just too wide.
In case you guys can't tell, Edwin's getting a little loud today. Finally got an exhaust after I don't know how long. His fucking car is quiet as balls. We never heard his. We used to do a fucking before.
Yeah, start.
Give a little rev.
Right,
give me a little rev.
Oh, he's so nice, senpai. That's how it sounds like right now when it's parked, but when you're driving that shit, guys.
This is why Edwin had to get access port, boys. Gotta get that fresh tune, baby. All that horsepower. Additional 80 horsepower to the wheels. Fam's trying to get some horsepower too.
I just look, I even got outside horsepower too, you know, aerodynamic right there.
Nah, Edwin will still gap you.
Vegeta though, that's where you gotta get it right there.
Edwin will still gap you.
You want water or something?
Nah, I'm good. I got my sponsor in my car right now. Official, unofficial sponsor of the channel.
Sponsored by Banks.
Yeah. Vitamin water, baby.
Damn.
That's all I ever drink.
Oh, hey, the mango. Mango something. That's just
true.
true.
You know, if he wants to get it, you got a blanket ready right there. You got a Yoshimoto sticker from
You already know, fam.
the basketball. You know, he never wants to blow out.
Never want to ball out, fam. You get rocked. Got a heat
That's
gun.
how you know you're in the east side.
Hey, sheesh.
The dog's chasing the ice cream.
That's what I want, shit. Ice cream, baby.
You want one? I got cash.
You got cash? Hell yeah, I want one. Give me a Sonic.
Get it.
Music's in his soul, baby.
Look at this guy. When you go broke trying to buy a exhaust, so you gotta sleep in the box now.
When you gotta watch the road, but you see a cool car driving by.
Honestly, I can't sleep.
Look at this.
Hey, let's check out Edwin's new exhaust. Oh shit! It's orange!
Oh, did you get that shit from Mexico or what?
You just dropped it off right now with ice cream. Oh, look at this ticket. At least your Ninja Turtle's eyes are straight.
Oh man, this brings back memories.
That's So normally I'd be under the car doing all the work, but not today. Today we're making Edwin and Fambino do some work. How's it going, boys? Is it going?
Nope.
Oh, look who's back.
Just
The
show
dog.
me the tutorial and then I'll get it from there.
All you gotta do is fucking crack that shit loose.
That went right inside.
Other way, Edwin, go down.
Other way, go down.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
Put some balls into it.
Come on, Edwin. Put your back in there, boy. Nah, that thing's probably tight as fuck, honestly.
Yeah.
It's on there.
Just make sure you don't round it out. Don't round it out. Hold it straight. You gotta hold the ratchet straight. Okay, I see where you're fucking up, Edwin. You're spinning the wrong side. Put the ratchet on the other side.
That's what I'm saying.
No, put the ratchet on the other side where Twinkie's at. You and Twinkie switch.
Oh, there you go, Twinkies. Oh.
There you go.
Fucking balls, that's what you need.
No, because the problem is you guys was trying to spin the bolt instead of the nut.
Okay, now.
Eels.
Hey, I'm gonna need this, hold on.
Alright, I think it's time for me to get my other ratchet out and start doing some work. Or else we're gonna be here for the next 2 hours. You guys got 3 fucking bolts and you guys haven't got any of them off.
See the way that my arms are set up right now,
See, the way that I'm working right now, I feel like a slave, and Brian,
Ain't doing shit.
he's just watching me. I told you, Jamarcus Russell just watching.
Look at this dude.
Oh, look, Twinkies, I'm gonna get it off by myself.
Fam refs the Raiders because he takes the L's all season.
I mean, we're 2-2, dog.
Damn, let's see how many more wins you get with those 2.
I feel like a god.
Come on, Edwin. You got this.
There's one.
You guys got one flange off yet, at least?
Okay, we'll pick up tomorrow.
We'll pick this video up tomorrow because they're going to be here for a while.
One eternity later.
They'll finish when the Raiders fucking finish with a positive record.
Oh.
So come back in a couple of years.
You can't make fun of the Raiders right now. You're in a Raider household.
Sorry, boys.
GG's in the chat, boys.
Is this you guys' first time working on a car?
Yeah.
Technically.
Damn.
Well, I worked on that. You didn't see that piece of shit buggy?
No,
I worked on that one with my dad all the time.
What, the one that's parked right in front of us?
Yeah. There was a gift for my aunt.
So what exactly is wrong with it?
Ugly as
Besides,
shit.
like $100?
Yeah.
I mean, besides the looks, what else is wrong with it?
Nothing.
Oh, that's
It's a
fine.
good daily.
Fuck yeah.
Honestly, if I didn't have that paid job, I'd take it to work all the time.
Let's wrap the buggy, dude.
Dude, let's wrap it all black.
Let's wrap the fucking buggy. I'm down.
And I'm gonna
Content.
throw some fucking ookies on it. Oh shit, some T37s. God damn.
Imagine T37s on that
fucking buggy.
Well, I'd be pulling up like the goon of fucking Selena. It's not Aquina.
Come on, that ain't some fucking.
No, this one's cool, bro. But you just gotta keep holding it, bro.
I am holding it, dog.
Well, hold it harder. No, I'm just kidding. Right at the end already, dude, where it gets fucking loose, bro.
You got this,
It's about to be loose like all the top bitches in Selena's. Come on.
My Twinkie's cheeks.
Come on,
Like my
Twinkies.
booty.
After all the BBCs you've taken, fam.
Oh, chill.
He said BBC. Oh my
Take this
god.
fucking jersey off. This one falls.
My little
Then you
fam, maybe you'll
wash
actually
yours
catch some
tonight.
dubs if you take that shit off.
Huh?
Maybe you actually catch some dubs if you take that shit off.
Maybe we'll get the full off that shit.
You guys only give me one side, and then you still hit the fucking exhaust off the hanger.
There it is.
You just gotta hold it.
Yeah.
STI.
Fucking...
I had to fucking tag in to get the bolts off that they couldn't get to, but it's all good. Gotta teach my kids how to fucking work on these cars. This guy's slumped already. Edwin got to put in the solo work right now.
Don't worry.
Let's get Edwin's perspective from down here. I got the hard to reach ones ready for you, Edwin, so you got the easy ones left to do.
Don't worry, we don't need Brian, honestly. Brian, you wanna go home?
Huh? You need the diamond?
No! My car. You keep away. Go to your Subi. You're on timeout right now, fucking Sonic.
Hey, you wanna go? If I got to get this up.
What, is that flat?
Oh, the dog, he's back. You're on my TV star.
Hey, you better not be sniffing my ass. I am my Yorkie, I'll beat your ass.
Where is your Yorkie at?
Probably with my sister.
At work?
My sister's not working right now. I don't know what the fuck. She's probably hungover.
What's her number? She's out wild. You'll see him at your house a lot more, so if you need help with your car, I'll be here.
Shut the fuck up. God damn. Y'all are some toxic ass people.
Toxic? I'm fucking working on your car for you. Fuck you.
Yeah.
At least let me crack the jokes. Even though they're only half jokes.
Yeah, that's cool. You could joke on me right now. I'm not gonna get sad like Jose.
Aw.
Speaking of Jose, oh shit.
Where is he at?
Mr. Pepsi.
Is Bessie way? Bessie?
Hi, Pepsi. Oh, sexy. Ooh. This one's coming out pretty good.
You got the Bessie shirt on, way. Senor Bessie. Damn.
Don't touch the tips, motherfucker.
Why? They're gonna get fingerprints all over them, like disgusting.
Look nice for the bitches.
I might change batteries. My camera's about to die.
I'm gonna start exposed.
You go ahead. I don't care.
It's on flash. I just want to be on the camera today.
I'm shy. I'm camera shy.
Since when?
Since always.
Damn. Hey fam. Still not doing shit.
How's it going?
Still making Edwin do all the work by himself. So once you get that off, we'll get the mid-pipe off.
Okay.
It's already unbolted up there. I already finished it. You just gotta fucking... I'm waiting for you guys.
Alright, and then after that's the hangers?
And then we'll get the mufflers off, and then we'll take the mid-pipe hanger off.
Okay.
I got the other muffler off. Send that out there.
Off.
And the mid-pipe.
I got Chivito in.
And you guys got flange. It's all good.
I got that freaking thing closest to the hanger, and I was taking on the cutter.
Oh, he got it.
Oh, watch your head.
He almost got smashed, but he got it.
What I fucking doing?
Alright, Edwin, get the nip now.
Oh. Wait, what?
Maybe this one doesn't. I don't remember the STI exhaust having a fucking nipple, actually.
It does.
In the middle. Does it? Check out the fucking mid-pipe, because I remember getting that shit off hella easy, dude, when I took mine off. Look in the middle, Edwin, like right behind the diff.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see
it.
So what, do I gotta unscrew that or?
No, you gotta just pull it out.
Just pull it through?
Yeah.
Come on, bitch. Come on.
I don't want to have to go under there. I was trying to avoid fucking
fucking
exhaust hangers today, so I'm like. But yeah, I still ended up pulling the muffler off.
Oh, fuck, I got dirt in my eye.
Safety goggles, sir. That's why I have my glasses on. Ugh.
Oh, bring me the aviators, Brian. They're in the in my driver's side.
You know what the aviator?
Yeah. I really don't think this shit's gonna go through that.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to get her in there again. Bitch. Let me check my phone first. Then I'm gonna watch with me. And then Papa, aka me, had to step in to get the mid-pipe off too.
Hard.
But we're good?
Hard.
We're good, boys. You ready to get the new one on or what? Yay! Ooh, we just got the mufflers on.
What's up, guys? We just got the mufflers on. It's your boy.
I'm gonna mute that. Alright. Wide pipe, mufflers. And now we're gonna get the mid-pipe. Where's the mid-pipe at, Edwin?
Fuck, I took a picture.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, Flash.
What's up, guys? We're currently sucking dick down here. I just did flash a hand job down there.
Oh, shit.
Gets sucked in his bed. Goes all the way. This fucking black hole.
Have you ever seen the South Park episode when the mom gets stuck in the toilet? That's what it's gonna be.
Oh shit, I gotta remember which way this thing goes. But you guys were struggling.
We struggled in the beginning to take the bolts off.
I didn't. Just want to throw that out there. Yeah. Oh, just fucking with you today so much.
Why?
Because it's fun. Alright, Bambino, you ready?
Round one today. I got a party to go to, but catch up with you guys later. Oh man, look at that big ass pipe just coming out of nowhere. Damn. You so fine. You so sexy, somebody.
Ooh, we got the mid pipe.
Take my head.
Oh, no.
Look for the fan and stuff.
Here's the other bolt.
Finally done. Fuck.
Alright, now? Hey, look what we got in here.
Oh.
Tequila!
Got a bar and a cleaning service all in one.
Yeah.
Why you got tequila in the back?
Well, because we're going to my uncle's right now.
Whoa.
Wow. I don't want to go into there and fucking feel for exhaust leaks because I don't.
I don't either.
Hey, Edwin, go into there and go fill all the flanges, make sure there's no leaks. We got a special guest here. I don't know who you are, but welcome to the vlog.
I want to see Brian's car.
Scaring my sister in the Subaru.
No, honestly, I was scared to drive in his car when Edwin first got his car.
Because?
Because he didn't know how to drive stick.
Don't worry, Twinkie doesn't know how to drive stick either.
Jose needs to learn how to drive stick.
Damn.
My car's stick too.
Yeah.
Damn, why you
Hey, fam.
come after me like that?
I'm the only one here that doesn't know how to drive stick.
Yours isn't stick?
No.
Nah, it's automatic. You want to drive it? It's cool.
Fast.
It's not stick?
Nah, it's automatic.
Then why does it have the little view?
Because it's I hide the rest of it so it looks like a stick. Because I don't want to look like an idiot, you know?
Well, how are you gonna sit there and look at the car to the left and then look at the car on the right and say it's not
It's
stick?
stick,
It's
well,
stick.
Gotta go.
Good content. Thank you for that.
Hey, we're
First reaction, Edwin, to your exhaust. How'd you like it?
Don't listen to Brian.
How'd you like your exhaust?
Dude, it's beautiful.
How does it sound though? According to you.
I think if I turn it on, it'll probably cook my pizza a little bit more.
Are you satisfied with the way it sounds?
I'm ready for the first drive.
Here comes this ricer. Watch. Fucking right. Damn, what are you doing?
being a racer, you know, that's what we do out here. A little bit, where you at? Jose said to them as a lot.
Fucking flashes alarm went up. Alright you guys, that's gonna be it on the exhaust install video. Hope everyone enjoyed it. I thought it was pretty funny, you know, some good content. But if you did enjoy it, leave a like, drop a sub, and